rightful owner. So what council once owned, they now don't.
I think they can treat people however they like and not have to take responsibility for things that they have documented in their files.
And through no fault of their own, this family has opened a giant can of worms.
It appears as though council is trying to wipe its hands and the mayor doesn't want to say sorry. And I think that your viewers would expect that if something happens that's wrong, that the local community leader would step up and say we made a mistake.
Now it seems the ball rests in the court of the mystery Riverina landlord, who's acquired himself a valuable piece of Sydney real estate.
We want an apology from council and we just want it to be over.
But that seems a long way to go. The cleaner, Jerks Lane junkyard.
Well, it's not even yet because it's got to go through the Supreme Court, so it's going to take a few more years. So it's just going to end up like it's going to a few more years.
This is business how it stays.
The Marcelinos are now weighing up their options after being put in touch with the Langway's actual owner. Ryde City Council's full statement is on our website. Up next, it's a smartphone.